Let's talk about last week episode 5, what a Juliet's big plan to corner her enemies. Yeah, total flop. And honestly, does anyone think she's got a solid game plan? This show's like a maze of chess. Just you think you have figured it out. Another twist. Then we have got the whole word arts. Let's be real. Character art is appearing festival, then snacks at a house party, and then there's Zach, or so called only hope. But here's the thing. He's as trustworthy as a cut around a fishbowl. His help always has a catch. And don't even get me started on his hidden agenda. Mysterious man? Oh, and the official synopsis for episode 6.